Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? Are you good? I hope all good with you. Today is a bit relaxed. We're gonna learn about very important phrases or old words in British English. It's such a great and old lovely place. And I think why we're learning English today in here because this is such a great place to learn English. Okay. Today English lesson is we try to learn about two words very popular in British English. It's very commonly used in England or in UK. And both of them are my favorite. I really love them because I use them. So do you want fancy to know what they are? Okay, let's get going. The first word that we're going to learn is cheers. Okay, here it is. Can you see it? It's cheers. Do you know what that means? It's simply to say thanks in British English. And yeah, we know that most people say thank you. But today, we're going to learn how British people say thank in everyday life. So they say cheers. It simply means thank you. British English, but it's used in formal English. Okay, but it's basically used when we bump our glasses, when we hit our glasses together and we say cheers. And that is the first meaning of it. But cheers is quite popular in Britain, especially in England. We definitely hear quite a lot. So we definitely hear a lot of the time the British people say cheers. Okay, so this one of my favorite. So now you can use cheers instead of saying thank you. So cheers is such a great way of saying thank you. For example, we can say your friend say to you, "You looking good." You say cheers. And someone give you a present, you say cheers, 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 cheers. And another example, your friend does something great for you and you say cheers, that kind of thing. So that was the first one. And the second word we're going to learn is mate. Like this, mate. Can you guess what that means? It means my friend. My friend. So British people say mate instead of saying my friend. And we definitely hear quite a lot in England, and it's good for us to learn that and to know that word, because probably one day we're going to England and we can use this word. Okay, this word is mate. Okay, mate means my friend, and probably we can combine between both of them. We can say cheers mate, or we can say come on mate. Come on mate, it means come on my friend, or cheers mate, it means thank you my friend. So now we can use mate instead of saying my friend. Okay, do you understand now? I think that was the lesson for today, and please subscribe if you like this video, and you can share with your friend, and you can also give you 10 subs if you like it. That's it for today. Once again, thank you very much, and I say cheers for watching.